We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the FlashCatch Light-Up Basketball. This innovative product has captured the attention of basketball enthusiasts of all ages. And here's what they have to say about it. If you own this product, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The FlashCatch Light-Up Basketball is designed to elevate your nighttime basketball games with its vibrant LED lights that activate with every bounce. This feature alone has been a major hit among users, as it transforms ordinary games into visually stunning experiences. The ball is official size and weight, providing a professional grip and feel that appeals to both beginners and seasoned players. Many users have praised its smooth handling and excellent air retention, which ensures consistent performance during play. One of the standout features of this basketball is its ability to light up in the dark, making it perfect for evening games or training sessions. Parents and gift givers have highlighted how much kids and teens enjoy this unique feature, often describing it as a game changer for outdoor play. The ball's glow is bright and captivating, creating an exciting atmosphere for players and spectators alike. However, some users have noted that the brightness may diminish over time due to battery usage. Fortunately, the ball comes with spare batteries included, offering up to 30 hours of playtime per set. Durability is another aspect that has received mixed feedback. While many users find the ball sturdy and long-lasting, others have expressed concerns about its plastic construction. Some worry that this material might not withstand rough play or prolonged use on certain surfaces. Despite these concerns, most reviews agree that the ball maintains its air pressure well and delivers a strong bounce, adding to its overall value. The FlashCatch Light-Up Basketball has also proven to be a fantastic gift option for kids, teens, and even adults who love basketball. Its unique design and functionality make it a standout present for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Users have shared stories of gifting this ball to their children or friends, often pairing it with LED rim lights for an even more immersive experience. The joy and excitement it brings to recipients are frequently mentioned as highlights in reviews. While the ball comes deflated for shipping purposes, it's important to note that a pump is not included in the package. This has been a minor inconvenience for some buyers who were not prepared to inflate the ball upon arrival. However, this detail does not seem to detract significantly from the overall positive reception of the product. In summary, the FlashCatch Light-Up Basketball offers a fun and innovative way to enjoy basketball games after dark. Its glowing LED lights, professional grip, and durable design make it a popular choice among players of all ages. While there are minor concerns about battery life and material durability, the overwhelming majority of users agree that this product delivers great value and entertainment. If you're looking for a unique gift or a way to enhance your nighttime basketball sessions, this ball is definitely worth considering. Remember, you can find the link to purchase this product in the description above. Supporting our channel by using this link helps us continue bringing you detailed reviews like this one.